Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix to create a landing page. First, navigate to the Wix editor and select Create New Site. Choose a suitable template from the hundreds available, ensuring it aligns with your campaign goals. Customize the layout, colors, and fonts to reflect your brand identity. Add your compelling headline and initial content, then insert a clear call to action button. Remember to save your progress frequently. To maximize your landing page's effectiveness, focus on conversion-driven design. Your headline should be impactful, ideally under 10 words, to immediately convey value. The body copy needs to be concise, highlighting benefits over features. Design your call to action button to stand out, using action-oriented text like Get Started or Download Now. High-resolution images or a short video can significantly boost engagement and trust with your visitors. Wix offers powerful features to enhance your landing page. Easily add custom forms to collect visitor data, such as email addresses or contact details. Leverage Wix automations to send automated follow-up emails or assign tasks after a form submission, streamlining your workflow. Embedding customer testimonials or a product demonstration video can significantly increase credibility. Also, connect your page to various marketing tools for deeper insights into visitor behavior. Before going live, thoroughly review your landing page for any errors in text or broken links. Once perfect, publish your page and consider connecting a custom domain for more professional brand presence. Utilize Wix Analytics to track key metrics like visitor count, bounce rate, and conversion rates. Regularly, /B test different headlines, images, or call to action buttons to continuously optimize your page for even better performance over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.